What's up, you guys? Kostas here with Old Bug Greek Tavern. I'm actually at Restaurant Depot right now, picking up some supplies for the restaurant for the weekend. We have our to-go boxes we get from here, all of our produce and meats. All these things actually get brought in here, and this is where the majority of mom and pop restaurants are gonna shop. Let me show you guys around, okay?
Check you out, check your style. Did your friends just come and hang out? To the bar and to the back. I just wanna touch you,
Whew! Oh! Making dates stuffed with goat cheese, wrapped in bacon, topped with a balsamic glaze. It's gonna be great.
Like a shot from the dark, 'cause we know how to rock to the edge.
My fifth coffee pot
We make the stars
of the
shine,
year.
make the stars shine bright.
Hashtag restaurant owner problems.
You're the best thing inside of this party. Nobody else, nobody like you. So give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that.
Also, a new toy I got is this awesome ND filter for my camera. It's like sunglasses, so let's put on our shades. All right. Is that better now? You can see me better? Awesome. So yeah, ND filter just kind of helps reduce the amount of light that goes into the camera, allows me to shoot outside a little better, and still maintain that low aperture in the bright sunlight.
C-O-S-T-I-S. You know, it was close.
Yes. Funny Greek names. All right, so my drink of choice is just espresso and ice. Gets the job done. Bold, deep coffee flavors. Usually get like 4 or 5 shots. Don't judge. Do not judge.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring us down, singing louder than the crowd.
What's going on, man?
Oh, what's good? Oh, you get
Carl, good to see you, man.
good to see you, man.
You know, I've been hanging out with Carl for 5 years now. Here at the Sam's Club gas station. If you're a member of Sam's Club, you got to meet Carl. Come over here, get filled up. He'll put a smile on your day.
Oh man, doing great, man. I'm doing fantastic, man. I don't know yet. Maybe sometime this summer. Florida. Yeah, that was all right.
The sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
All right, that's the last of it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on our trip to Restaurant Depot. Hope to see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure that you comment below, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you like everything we're doing, and we will see you guys soon.